Is Makita still the king of the job site in 2026? Today, we're diving into the ultimate Makita Tools Outdoor Power Equipment 2025 Roundup. Today, we're diving into the ultimate Makita Tools Outdoor Power Equipment 2025 Roundup, from the massive power of the 40-volt and 80-volt Max XGT system to the legendary reliability of 18-volt LXT cordless tools. We are breaking down the must-have gear for every professional and homeowner. We'll look at the latest brushless motor chainsaws, high-performance lawn mowers, and the new ConnectX backpack power supply that's changing the game for runtime. Whether you're looking for the best Makita tools 2025 has to offer, or wondering if it's time to upgrade your battery platform, this is the review you can't miss. Let's see what's new in the real world. First up is the Makita SNZZU 1G XGT 40-volt Max Snowblower. It offers cordless power with fast snow clearing and a throwing distance of up to 10 meters. The discharge direction is adjustable to control where snow is thrown. Features include a foldable handle for easy storage, an integrated LED light for low visibility conditions, and a single-stage system for smooth snow intake and discharge. That wraps up the XGT 40-volt Max Snowblower, built for efficient winter cleanup without the hassle of fuel or cords. Next is the Makita DLM466 LXT 36-volt cordless lawnmower. It runs on two 18-volt batteries connected in series, delivering strong, consistent power. The steel deck adds durability, and the washable design makes cleanup easy. You get normal and low noise modes, a grass level indicator, and an adjustable handle height for comfort. The forward-tilted blade design reduces double cutting, improving efficiency and extending runtime. This mower delivers cordless convenience with performance comparable to petrol models. For heavier outdoor work, the UC03CUG XGT chainsaw delivers petrol-like performance in a cordless design. It's equivalent to a 50cc class chainsaw and provides around 28 cuts per charge. The brushless motor and high-output battery drive the chain at speeds up to 29 meters per second. A shorter distance between the handle and guard improves brake usability. Tool-free dust cover removal makes air filter maintenance quick and simple. Available with 16, 18, or 20-inch guide bar options, this chainsaw can be set up to match your specific job. Next up is the Makita UB002G XGT HDT blower. It features variable speed control through the trigger, along with 3 selectable speed modes. At full power, it delivers an air velocity of up to 99 meters per second. Runtime can reach up to 120 minutes depending on the selected setting and battery used. The design is compact and well balanced for comfortable handling. This blower also supports a vacuum function, with dust bags available as an optional accessory, a flexible tool that handles both blowing and cleanup tasks. Now let's look at the Makita UC029G 40-volt Max Pruning Saw. It comes with a 150mm guide bar and offers toolless chain replacement and tension adjustment. Automatic chain oiling keeps everything running smoothly. A retractable guard improves safety during use. Compared to previous models, this pruning saw is around 70% more efficient. Depending on the battery, you can get up to 415 cuts per charge. Compact, brushless, and designed for fast pruning work, the UC029G is built to keep productivity high. Next is the Makita DUA200 18-volt LXT 200mm brushless pole saw. This tool uses 3 segmented pole sections, allowing an adjustable length from about 1600mm up to 2500mm, depending on the job. The head angle is adjustable through 9 positions, ranging from 60 degrees upward to 60 degrees downward. You can lock or unlock the angle with a single touch for quick adjustments. On a full battery, It delivers up to 600 cuts through 50mm cedar timber. The saw includes toolless chain, tensioning, and a toolless guide bar change for fast maintenance. An electric brake adds extra safety during operation. That's the DUA 200, a versatile cordless pole saw built for precision and reach. Last is the Makita DHW 180Z 18V LXT pressure washer. This cordless unit runs on Makita's LXT battery platform and is designed for flexible cleaning in different environments. It features a 5-in-1 nozzle, letting you switch spray modes simply by rotating the nozzle head. No need to swap accessories mid-job. You get 3 water supply options. Connect it directly to a water tap, draw water by self-priming from a bucket or container, or use Makita's plastic water bottle accessory for total portability. There are 2 operating modes, high and low, so you can balance power and runtime. A built-in warning lamp gives quick visual feedback on battery level, overheating, or overload conditions. That's the DHW 180Z. A compact 18V pressure washer built for tough cleaning tasks, without cords. That wraps up our 2025 Makita OP Roundup. It's clear that Makita's innovation in battery technology and ergonomic design continues to lead the industry. Which of these new Makita releases are you adding to your trailer this year? Let us know in the comments below. Are you sticking with LXT or making the jump to XGT? If this video helped you decide on your next tool purchase, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more professional power tool reviews and 2026 gear guides. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals on Makita cordless equipment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.